So guys, coming from Tanya Markova, I move straight now to one of the most awaited na aking kakausapin ngayong gabi. Hulaan nyo, sino kaya itong isasalang ko ngayon? Dahil ako po habang ngayon ay nagpupunas ng pawis, kailangan ko maghanda dahil abang itong moment na to dahil maraming nag-aabang talaga, literally, kung sino yung susunod kong kakausapin. Kanina ko pa binabasa yung mga tweets at ito ay nag-iisang, hindi ko nag-freeze na po yung iPad sa dami ng ano. So guys, hindi ko na po mapatagalin, nandito po ang nag-iisang Darren Espanto in the house.
Hello everyone!
Welcome to Mixmo 2015.
Yes, thank you po.
So, eto po si Darren na kakasalang lang kanina on stage at parang nagkagulo ang mga tao. So, ano ang feeling na sumampa ka tonight and nag-perform for all your fans?
Yes po, it's my first time to be here at Mixmo and actually it's my first time to join a music festival. And it's a privilege and it's an honor.
Did you get scared?
Sobrang kabado po ako kasi ang raming tao, pero ang saya pong mag-perform para po sa kanila because they're very interactive. They sing and they dance along with me.
Yes, because they've been tweeting already, waiting for you, that they were saying na nasa na si Darren, what time is he going on stage?
Oh.
And sabi ko nga parang everyone is anticipating what you're gonna do on stage. So I'm glad that napagbigyan mo sila at natuwa sila sa ginawa mo on stage.
Thank you po for having me.
So si Darren po, nakasama ko po siya sa Mix Slam Jam.
Opo.
Na sobra po siyang trooper dahil kahit nasira po yung sound system namin doon, naghintay po siya talaga.
It was raining.
So, Darren, what is in store? Ano ang mga bagong projects na hihintayin namin sa'yo? Is there a new single coming out?
Yes po, I have a new single also for my debut album. It's called Making Moves. And it's about a guy crushing on a girl. And he has to make some moves to get her. And also, of course, my D-Road tour po is still ongoing. And
when's the next stop?
I think it's in Batangas.
In Batangas.
Ayun
Because
po.
right now, more than 3,990 people are watching us on the live stream right
Hello.
now. So,
Thank you.
Baka may mga fans na who are in Batangas should
Yes.
probably check your social media to
Opo.
check all the details. So, what's your Instagram or Twitter account?
I only have an Instagram. It's Darren Espanto1. And makikita niyo po doon lahat ng mga updates ko, shows, and updates yun po. And also, I have an upcoming album for next year. And we're working on it right now. And it's very exciting.
A new album already. So guys, exciting news yan na aabangan nyo.
Yeah.
If you were happy with the debut album, the repackage,
Yes po.
and then now there's already a new album in the works. So hintayin nyo po yan.
And I have original compositions in this one. Kasi noon, ayoko po talagang nagsishare ng mga sarili kong gawa.
Okay, so
Pero ngayon po,
this time,
yeah, it feels good actually. And
what pushed you? What convinced you to actually record one of your own songs?
Nakaka-inspire po yung mga songwriters na nakikita ko katulad nila Ate Yeng, Evidencel, Ate Casey, yung mga yun po. So it's really cool kaya gusto ko rin naman pong matry. Yun.
So anong feeling na pagka nagpe-perform ka on stage and they really, you know, they practically go nuts when they hear and see you on stage? Nagugulat ka ba? Natatakot ka ba? Nape-pressure ka ba?
I always get nervous, pero pag nandun na po ako, parang nawawala po lahat ng kaba ko. And when I see the crowd, it makes me more excited to perform for them. Yun po.
So nawawala yung nerves.
Opo, yun.
So do you think that delivers a better performance?
Of course, yeah.
Medyo extra effort, extra push.
Opo.
So, Darren, who came from the Voice Kids competition, you were probably a little shorter.
Like this.
Oh man, and look at you now.
Yeah.
So, and you have accomplished so much in such a short span of time. How do you keep the pace? Hindi ka ba napapagod? Do you look back and say, oh my God, ang dami ko na nagawa, pahinga muna?
Syempre po, kasama na po yung pagod, pero it's all worth it at the end of the day. Yun po.
Okay, so guys, batang-bata, punong-puno ng energy, and he's making good use of the energy. So I'm happy to hear na down to the songwriting, you're taking that extra step to come up with
Yeah.
something different.
Opo.
So, I think excited ang mga fans to hear more about the new
Yeah,
album.
it's
So,
different.
hihintayin natin lahat yan. So, guys, there you have it, Mr. Darren Espanto.
Thank you.
Any parting words, messages to all your fans?
Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng mga Darrenatics. I love you guys so much. And please continue to support my debut album. Nag-platinum na po siya dahil po sa inyong lahat. And, of course, Hero Tour and the birthday concert. Malapit na pong ilabas on DVD. And of course, my upcoming album for next year, hopefully. Yun po.
Oh my goodness, ang dami nun. So guys, you know that there are so many things in store for Darren in the
Thank
coming
you.
months, in the coming quarter. So hintayin natin lahat yon. Again, Darren, thank you for
Thank you
rocking
po.
the Mixmo
Salamat
2015 stage. And
Thank you.
I'm looking forward to all the new things coming from you.
Thank you po.
So thank you for the people
Thank
behind
you.
MCA na inaalagaan si Darren.
Yeah.
Si Ellie na ayun na naman.
Sir
Tsaka,
Mark.
si Ellie, sila MJ, sila Cheska, si Boss Ricky,
Siyempre.
lahat ng mga tao sa MCA,
Lahat ng
thank
tao.
you,
Thank you.
for taking care of Darren.
Yes.
And, syempre, ang foster father nyo na si
Sir
Mark.
Mark. Opo. Tsaka sila Sir Ricky, sila Sir Sammy.
Oh, so, yan.
Mga road managers namin, Ate Karen, Ate M. Thank you.
Oo nga pala, sila Queenie.
Oo nga po.
Oh, yan. So, lahat po yun ng mga taong tumutulong sa mga The Voice, from The Voice, regular The Voice at mga The Voice kids.
Yeah.
Sila po yung mga taong
Thank you po.
nag-aalaga. So again, Darren, maraming salamat for
Maraming
being
salamat
part
rin
of
po.
Mixmo 2015. Thank you,
Thank you, everyone. Salamat po.
All right, so